What's up guys, this is the Wolf, the new video, and on today's video we're gonna be looking at NASDAQ 100. Like we've been saying guys in the previous videos, that NASDAQ 100 is switching directions, we are changing directions, we are shooting up, and it exactly happened. What I said from the previous video that is gonna happen to NASDAQ happened, guys, exactly how we speculated. All right, because we analyze, guys. It's not a mere guess, it's analysis, the power of technical analysis. So guys, let's do what we always do. Let's go to the higher time frames. All right, let's do what we always do. All right, so let's put those levels up. All right, put those levels up, and then yeah, we have a powerful level here. Pay attention how we apply them, man. Might be useful into your trading. All right, so we have our levels up, because remember what I always say about levels, guys. We put levels up to trap our current price. We trap it down, so we know if it from here where it might go next. It makes things easier. Okay guys, we have our levels up. All right, so now let's put on our trend. All right, but first let's look into our previous trend before the previous week's analysis. All right, we had this trend here. All right, and then what did I say about it? I did say that from this trend, what the market will do, because we were here at our resistance trend line, and then you can see we have a level here which is like our resistance level. So we did say that the market is likely to return inside structure, and then from here, and then break structure, and then it did almost exactly the same thing. All right, because obviously guys, the market's got its own way of moving, and then as you can pay attention here, we have a double bottom. We have a double bottom here, guys. So the market did break our structure, and then we left it. It's double bottom. So obviously guys, this is a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer. Come on, this is a no-brainer. We had a trend line. What happened? The market broke the structure, and then what did it do? It came back to retest, because it has to. It's gotta. All right, it came back to retest the structure, and then it went up. So it's a double bottom, guys. It is a double bottom. And remember the basics. On a double bottom, it's a chart pattern. It's a pattern, a chart pattern, man. It indicates, for a downtrend, it indicates a change of direction. For an uptrend, it's an indication for a continuation. All right, so that's just what's up, guys. This is what went down here on NASDAQ 100. We had a chart pattern which is a double bottom, and then this is so simple. It indicates an upward structure, and then what did it do? It did the basics, man. Like it broke structure and then came back to retest. And after a retest of structure, what we expect for the market to go to that direction, because we expect to go up. And then this chart pattern, it gives you clear direction that, all right, it gives you like a certainty that, bro, we are going up. And then it did exactly that. So from here, what's gonna happen? All right, from here, we're just gonna put this trend line here, guys. All right, so meaning we're not off the hook just yet. All right, we're not off the hook just yet. So let's move to 4 hour and see what's popping. All right, yes, we have broken it, but no, not necessarily. But obviously, we're just gonna wait until for the market to reopen and give us a clearer look into it. If it reaches here, and then yeah, that's will be good news, because it's gonna retest up until here. All right, it's not gonna retest more than that. Then from here, just gonna, all right, because if you've been paying to NASDAQ lately, it's been moving with levels. Like it's been moving with levels. It's been respecting levels. Like it goes from this level, goes to the previous one. Like it's been respecting levels very much. All right, so our next mission, it may not be for this coming week. All right, but our mission, like main mission for this structure, is to go from, let's go to a level 13,500. It's our next mission. All right, 13,500. Okay, our next mission is for NASDAQ to go up to 13,500. That's where we want it, guys. Okay, so let's just get into it and see what's popping. So this is our first anticipation how it's gonna get there. Why? Because it's kind of a bit something similar happened, but NASDAQ is not 100. So our next mission for this coming week is to enter this zone. All right, is to enter this zone. This is what we want. We want to enter this zone, guys. No. This is the zone we want to enter for this coming week. This is the zone. Okay. This is the zone. We have to enter this zone. At least, like you see, it's been ranging here. Yeah, we want to range inside that zone. That's what we want. For as long as we enter the zone and play around it, it will be an indication for positive results, because we will know that NASDAQ is gonna go up, guys. All right. So that's what we want. So our mission is to hit 13,500, but we're not just gonna, from where it is now, 11,994.4, from here immediately just shoot up to 13,500. No, it will enter the zone. It has to enter the zone. 12,400 and 12,900. He has to enter that zone. All right, once we are inside that zone, we know, well, we are likely to go to our next zone, which is this zone between let's see, it will be 13,000 and 13,500. That will be the zone. Okay, so yeah, guys, we just want to enter this zone. This zone is a very powerful zone that we want to enter. Once we've entered it, we know for sure that we are going up. Okay, so now let's analyze for a possible downward structure. But like, it's just gonna happen like it happened, maybe from here we're just gonna come back and test. Okay, and then enter the zone. That's what we want. Enter the zone, even if we fail a little bit, like a few inches. That's what we want to enter the zone, guys. All right, that's what we want, to enter the zone, so we know. All right, so a possible downwards movement, it cannot go like too much. Like, it just cannot go too much, guys. Like, it cannot go maybe like up until here. Even if it does, maybe it's gonna be with spikes. Maybe with spikes. 1 candle, 1 hour candlestick, and then the next candlestick just shoots up just like that. Like, it's not gonna be like, it's not gonna stay for too long. All right, maybe, like, yeah, it's not gonna stay for too long, maybe for 5 hours, 10 hours. No, maybe it's gonna be 1 candlestick, a very large one, and then the next one is gonna do the exact opposite, and then inside this zone. And then once you're here, we know, just gonna have this. All right, okay, so that's just what's up, man. Like, we are not having that very powerful, like, it cannot continue to go down. No, we are going up. We're switching directions. If it goes down, it's gonna be like something like this. All right, something like this. I'm certain for that. We're switching directions, guys. We are not going for a depression. We are switching directions. It's July, man, and it's also going to an end. And in some of our previous we did say that, like, that change of direction might occur somewhere in the late July, or maybe August or late August. All right, but we are having it, guys. We are having change of direction. We are going up, and then we have already started. All right, we have begun with the change of direction, so the market's just gonna go up, guys. I don't want to lie to you. All right, okay, and you can see, just look here, in our daily or 4 hour structure, this was our double bottom. And then as you go to smaller time frames, 1 hour, you see we also have this double bottom, so meaning it's an indication for an upwards movement. And also we have this trend line here, so meaning it was your second chance here. If you didn't catch this double bottom when it formed, this was your second chance to enter. All right, so just look here. Let's put those levels. Thing is, you cannot miss this one, guys. You just cannot afford to lose it, because it's a very powerful movement. You cannot afford to lose it, man. Okay, So what we're gonna do here, we just have to break, man. If we break this guy, gonna retest him on the above, and then man, just gonna hit there. All right, it's gonna do something like this. I don't know if you have seen it and some of your crazy analysis that okay, this is what happens. I don't know, because obviously my analysis may not make sense to yours, but yours also may not make sense to mine, right? So but like according to my analysis, this has occurred a lot. Like when the market breaks the resistance trend line, and then it breaks it and then comes back to retest it, and then just continue the strong upwards movement. It has occurred into my analysis a lot of times. All right, so this is what the market will be doing, guys. All right, so no panic, man. If you're still holding a buy, man, just hold that thing, man. Hold that thing, man, or just close to go your account and then re-enter again. Okay, because like it's a no-brainer, guys. Like it's a no-brainer going up, right? And guys, if you enjoyed the video, please, man, smash that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, because I really like to have you on this channel, man. We do have we have this trend here. Where do we have it? Okay, this trend, if you see it, like see, guys, we have this, and this is very powerful, man. Like we have this uptrend here. So from here, maybe we might just go touch make that higher high, and then come back to create a new higher low, man. And then okay, so this is why I'm so confident, guys, that the market will go up, is because of this structure. We have this uptrend, and then what do? It breaks structure, and then remember what happens after breaking a structure. Come back and retest, and you see what its retest is gonna be doing. It's gonna come here, and as it comes here, what will be that peak? That peak will be a higher high for this new trend here, and then at a higher high, what do? You buy. So that's what's gonna happen, guys. This is what's gonna happen. So no panics, man. You do not panic. Hold that thing. Like we're switching directions, guys. So I really hope and not waste any of your time, guys. All right, if you're new, please subscribe, man, and peace.